The Allen & Heath GL2400 mixing console. It has 22 mono inputs, 2 stereo return faders, 4 subgroups, a left and right master faders. What you're about to see is a sound check, and what I want you to do is follow what comes up on the screen. Yes, that's right, raise the master faders to 0. Get it done and all will be good.
Okay, can I get kick drum please?
That is the sound of the kick drum. There he goes, adjusting the gain. Notice the LEDs in the top right change as gain is increased.
Give me some heavy kick drums as well.
He's asking for double tap kick drum as it is a bit harder. Next up, routing. He's routing it to left and right master faders, the 2 yellow ones. He's unmuting.
And a couple of double tap kick drums. Couple of double tap kick drums.
Hear that fader go up. You should now be able to hear the kick drum properly.
Okay, and can I get the snare please?
The process will now be repeated. There's the gain. Gain for gentlemen.
And can I get a couple of rim shots?
Always best to get the drummer to whack his drum.
And something like that.
There is the EQ going in right now. Hear the tone change.
Okay. And can I get the hi-hat please?
Phantom. Yes, remember the Phantom switch. It is a condenser mic. HPF. Get the high pass filter in. Root. Unmute. Turn the fader up. Listen to the hi-hat. Get rid of those lows. You don't need them. You don't need them at all.
And can I get the rack tom please?
Remember, rack toms are not hit that often. Look at the LEDs go up.
And can you just go a little bit slower please?
A little bit slower. That means you can hear the drum more in its entirety. Look, he is changing the effects. He is turning the effects fader up, the reverb fader.
Floor tom, please.
Floor tom. This is a big tom. Gain. Root. Unmute. Fader up. Hear that tom.
And can you go even slower, please?
Go even slower. Hear that reverb come in. Hear the reverb.
That's
Take
great.
the high off the
Can I
reverb.
get the ride, please?
The ride cymbal you will not be using in the exam. I repeat, the ride cymbal you will not be using. Ignore the ride cymbal. The drum kit is done. Ryan, concentrate. Just face it, Man United are not going to win any trophies next year. Just deal with it, okay?
That's great. Can I get the bass, please?
Gain. There's the signal going up. Do not use a high-pass filter.
And can you run through any other pedals you got with the bass? Just give me a selection of all the different sounds you got.
This bass player has lots of different sounds. He can make his bass sound like a synthesizer. Matthew, look at the screen. I know Chris Hughton looks like a duck, but concentrate. Concentrate. Put Norwich to one side. You've stayed up. Concentrate. There. It sounds like a synth, doesn't it?
And back to normal bass.
Ooh, look, the clean bass is a little bit quieter than all the other
great,
noises.
cheers. And can I get the stage right guitar, please?
PFL. Get the gain up. Root and unmute. Fade her up. There we go. There it is. We can hear the guitar.
And can I get the money shot, please, with the distortion?
There we go. There is the loudest sound. I want to know what the loudest sound is. It's always good to ascertain what the clean and what the loud will be like. You can sometimes put a bit of reverb on guitar. Personal taste.
And have you got any other sounds?
What the hand is doing there with the other channels is just putting some basic monitor settings using the auxiliaries. As it has taken a while to check the guitar, it is using an efficient use of time.
And can I get the stage left guitar, please?
The other guitar is coming down the same channel. I only had an 8 output sound card, so I couldn't do the whole multi-layer thing. So just deal with it. Imagine it's just another channel, but the hand's showing you what's going on anyway. Ooh, it's down. Ooh, it's in the PA. Ooh, it's down. See, fader goes down, level goes down. There you go. The hand is just doing the auxes, so he's plowing in some basic drum sessions so the drummer can hear a snare drum and the kick drum.
Cheers.
Fader up. Ooh, we saw the ghostly engineer there. We saw his head swoop in. Here it can. Here it go from left to right, left, center. Ooh, a little bit of shuffle there. Ooh,
Yep.
right.
Have you got any other sounds? Can I just hear those, please?
Guitarists tend to like to have dolphin noises and other things in their effect pedals. It makes feel incredibly special. Makes them feel like they're one with the world. Ooh, see, he has some reverb on that one.
Yeah, that's good. And can I get the stage right vocal first, please?
Again, I don't have enough channels, so I had to use the same channel to do the same thing. But anyway, this is the vocal channel. Look at him. Put the gain up. Gain, 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 gain. Doing the gain, doing the gain. HPF. Remember with vocals, you can only go up to 1130 on the gain. Do you understand? 1130 on the gain. Fade away. Oh, there's the vocal.
I'm high on your vibes.
EQ.
Come together. We can try. I'm high on your vibes.
And can I get the other vocal, please?
Imagine this is another channel. You only have one channel.
Tongues. Oh, baby, I'm too young. Lick my wounds with salty tongues.
Tut.
Ooh, baby, I'm too young. Take it easy, boy. Oh, be cool.
Ooh, listen to the
Last
reverb
thing
come in.
you want is to blow this chance. Take it easy, man.
With vocals, it is always
Play
good
cool.
to dig the mid out a
You
little
don't
bit.
even
Make
wanna
them sound
know.
clean. Clean is better than mud.
Lick my wounds with salty tongues. Ooh, baby, I'm too young. Lick my wounds with salty tongues. Ooh, baby, I'm too young. Running circles through my head. Tell me now, who are you? Go make my dream come true.
That's great. Thanks.
It was better than great. It was awesome. Remember, a mixing desk is simply how you make a cake. Think cake, think ingredients, think sweeteners, think ingredients to make it sour.
And can you give me a quick half song just so we can check what your monitors are like?
So now we have all the ingredients. Time to make the cake via the Master Vaders. Kick drum. It's like the base of the cake. Snare. It's the soul and party of the cake.
Lights they
Hi-hat.
flicker
That's
in
like
my
hundreds of thousands.
eyes.
Tom. That's like the cherries in the cake.
No
Don't get
inner
that many.
feeling, no surprise.
Ooh, the guitar. That's like icing, layers, sponge, layers, cake, bass. That's like fat layer. The vocals. That's like the egg, which is
I'm high on your
Look at those delicate touches.
vocal slightly less of mine, please. My vocal up in mine. A little bit, please.
Sorry, you'll set the vocal, yeah?
Yeah, please, yeah.
Yeah, just up a bit.
Can I get a little bit more drums?
A little bit more drums, yeah. In this one, yeah. A bit more stage right vocal, yeah? No problem. Okay, just give me a second to do that.
Of course, you could do what all sound engineers do and just don't listen to musicians at all. reverb fader up makes all the difference. Makes it
No
3D.
inner feeling, no surprise. Ooh,
What's it sound like? Big room. Room bigger than a small village hall. Somewhere
how
outside.
things
Nail's Way,
change.
Gloucestershire. If it is far too loud, then it is okay to bring the masters down by around 3 to 6 decibels. Gentle, gentle touches. Remember, very gentle touches. Move stuff around gently, but at the same time, go for it. Have to be quick. If you are cool or think you are cool, then move on to the medium speed sound check.